Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Blackview A200 Pro, and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the security. Let's tap. Now we have to scroll down again to localize this option, encryption and credentials. Let's enter, and almost at the very bottom of the list we've got the option we're looking for, so clear credentials. Let's simply tap on it and confirm it with OK. Of course, you will also have to confirm everything with your screen lock, so let's do it. And as you can see, not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which means that we just successfully removed all saved certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.